no President Mahama no and I'm told say wakache Joyce say wo de wum se miniane.
So no minority spokesperson.
Welcome to this episode of the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Just a few days ago, I reported to you, say, there is a serious confusion in the NDC. Very, very serious confusion. You see, power corrupts, but absolute power corrupts up to absolutely. Yes, sir. And you see also heavy lies the head that wears the crown. Now your man penning and easy. And I know, say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, as he stands now, no, on funny on yan easy cry. Yes, and say, job for the boys. People must be employed. People who wait during a campaign time. People who help you to lie. People who help you to propagate propaganda and all those things. You know. Obia person odidi. Obia be didi peche. Now omunim say, 4 years spend never homom. I say the devil. You see Satan him say, emre ni homa na enti bia oye bia no. Oye ni ten. San say, onim say enche bia no. Nyakupo beba. The same thing with NDC. Omunim say they are just in power for 4 years. After 4 years, no MPP beba biom. As I say, aside Jerry John Rawlings, or 8 years in NDC, no other president in NDC did a consecutive 8 years. Professor Atamels, no, unfortunately, he expired in his 4th year. John Mahama Baye, no, first term, and Amupamono. And the NDC for them say, are there 2 terms there, and yet possible for them. Now, and yet possible also, no, one of the people who has been instrumental, and then Ukrainian meaning, Nipa Bakwa waye propaganda pa ama NDC throughout the campaign period. As I say, NDC for Mushena or man appointment or pay bia some famano no. Eyo kuje to Ablakwa MP for Northtown. Now, semi-entertaining say the very position now John Mahama, His Excellency, a person okuje to kono. Okuje to so say on peho. Education ministry. Now me mamu who say education ministry there. Uko wa untimi ko siu. Uko wa. Na onye good leader, na onye good negotiator. Unti be propaganda kwati now. Esa say association say good ho no enye easy. Uko wa tewu wo ho, utag wo ho, Charles wo ho, Junat wo ho, Nagrat wo ho. And different associations. Eti obia oko education ministry bia no. So you be a leader or also a negotiator. That is why you saw the likes of Napo and Educhum occupy the Ministry of Education, because a very, very, very critical education ministry. Now you be so to say, he find out per se, you found share or say Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Now open Ministry of Foreign Affairs also no. John Mahama, His Excellency say, or honum no, or per se or nuninia, Joyce Bawah. Ni aid no enko because o person in nuance no jama ultimately to kwan cover now share different leaders and ambassadors in Shenase. What you say? That is what John Mahama's plan also is. Now they say okuju to company no, so that has forced John Mahama to go and appoint Haruna Idris as Minister of Education. Now say you know, out of 50 appointments, you know, 25. I mean 60 appointments. I will say he said his minister will not be more than 60. 25 a year. Now the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, you know, still up to now, you know, and the appointment is still yet to come. And there is contention over the ministry. Okuji to say Ohwana Obeko. Just Bawah to say, debut, me and me brother never aban mu, me and me brother ne president no enti, misu me person call foreign affairs na, or Juana misu me pe. Afe die, president na ye confused onim ne obeye. Onim se on fama okuye to say on fama Joyce Bawah. Na me be so, ada na ye deputy. Say, ministry no, se nipa mienu pese omun ko ho a. Ye baku minister ye the baku deputy. And so yasem. what is the penchant for all of them wanting to be the substantive ministers? Pride. Because if you want to serve this nation, you must be ready and be willing to serve in any capacity you are given. If the belief is that you are good, you are good at agriculture, you should be ready to go there. Say, Ebia, if you are good with energy, you should be willing to go there. Now, ask them to be penufu. Bia, kotina, friend say, pressure bia any omuso. Omudi nkwane say, omutu kwansa, utu kwansa, na also a minister, ukwa na moto jina wenim. And I say moto di wenim. Ping pong, minister ni neba. And just Bawah only say person be minister. Our constitution is clear. Say Omampeni no enfa 2/3 of his ministers from parliament. I don't now got to contest the parliamentary seat will constituency. Because once you become a parliamentarian, it makes your job easier. It increases your chances of becoming a minister of state. Uswoti na osa afede nipa ukotwi akunya with a substantive MP.
No President Mahama no. And I'm told say wakache Joyce say would the women say miniano.
So no, that minority spokesperson on
foreign affairs. Okay. Matese President Mahama kache Joyce say would the miniaba. Mama post kra. Umedi dipeche. It's my mefa transport and compensate you. That's what I've been told. So I Joyce back up transport ministry na the hona ma black kache say jig quiet the and na me hon to me. Oh, because go force the council pa. I'm Robert.
Ayo Okujeto. Now unhujuma Okujeto ye. Hey, Okujeto afede I have intercepted and my sources have intercepted my sources. Okujeto don't know. Why intercept this opposition? Why intercept this my sources na brofono nenem now type on Facebook afede also petition we sir. Now, a bro yes had any nana or just Bawah now on him say Okujeto Foreign Affairs Ministry in up oh yes anyamano. Now wow him. And he says see got na Ministry of Transport kawa no tum ne got na Ministry of Transport. Omampeni your own enti den. Enti obi a onye ni nua ontimi ko Foreign Affairs maybe I will go now maybe I open now ko ne ko share Ministry of Energy. So on a scout. And I will share Ministry of Land and Natural Resources. Also scout. And I will be say na mumu na mu pre Foreign Affairs with them. Me tell you. I don't person got na UN ana. Ebia some person got na UN dem mun kan kire ye. Masa Ghana ye hot ye na ye betinim. Ebe ye kra ye twa Ministry of Foreign Affairs nim. Entwem. Na say ade ankofo ku hu de say entwem. Na asema ko. Yes sir. So we so beko after the godfather say omudio mu hu jinem mumma pressure. So they no ko jin ko posika the campaign. Say say remember. Everybody will want their beloved and protégé to go to specific places. And when it comes like that, it is hard for you to decline it. Very, very, very hard for you to decline. Because you take the money and you make commitment. You make promises that, yeah, I'm going to, when I come, I'm going to appoint your godson. I'm going to appoint your protégé. Because once you appoint someone's godson protégé, it's a contract, remember. Also the contract to remember the godfather. And it's gonna be yeni. And so we are still waiting to see what is going to be John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency speak when it comes to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. We just hope say the impasse between Honorable Okujeto, Ablakwa, and Joyce Bawah, no, it will be solved as early as possible because thought appointments no there as minority leader apenyo marking kaya no enye ha adwen pa enti we wish NDC well and in their appointment and just Bawah on call Ministry of Transport or continue ho be 1 year and I said 2 years na mo switch na after mu do number foreign after mu do ku to call fairness education na runa call defense na say there reshuffle member there reshuffle member just Bawah to argue why Ministry of Transport why amanyosem no enye busansem amanyosem nye busansem is that right? By the way, I leave you to tell me in the comment section. So amanyosem ye politics or something and I say governance and yes sir they say let me cheer you my power. This has been a political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye, cheers, see you in the next one.